Hey guys, this is part one. We have our Mustang in our driveway now. We're going to be taking apart the engine bracket. We'll have it on the floor and we'll show you where it's bent.
Yeah, the whole idea of this episode is to start off by removing the old bent engine support bracket. It holds up the engine and the transmission, and it weighs a ton.
It weighs more than me, so I can't lift it.
Yeah, and then the whole suspension, we're gonna replace that we're gonna pull that out and see what's up with that. I've enlisted a friend to come and help.
Can help us out.
Yeah, the guy he's actually a captain. So from Scandinavia, the guy is actually a Viking, ex-mechanic, and we enlisted his help because some of this stuff is super heavy, and I don't know how we're going to support. We got to support the engine in place. I don't know. He kind of came up with the idea of maybe doing a bracket across the top or doing an engine hoist, but I didn't see anywhere.
We'll find a way to.
Yeah, I didn't see anywhere to hook it up.
In the transmission.
Yeah. So we're gonna try doing that. At least finish up that engine bracket, because I think that's gonna be the hardest part of the whole build.
We also found out that there's a bolt that when the accident happened, it sheared off completely. It's stuck in there. The half the bolt's stuck in there. And you can't screw it out because it's sheared off.
Yeah, it's
So
completely sheared off, and it's actually, I took the other one out next to it on the other side, and it's actually a friction. So I don't know how in the world we're gonna pull that out, but I'm sure if I mean, that's why Mark's coming, he'll help us, I'm sure. All right guys, so let's get right into it. The button for it. Yeah, this right here.
Okay guys, here we have the new engine mount. We just bought it from Ford. The engine mount holds up basically the whole entire engine and part of the transmission. The reason why we're replacing it, because on ours it was bent right here. It's completely crumpled. So yeah, we got a brand new one from Ford, and we're about to put it on the car.
There's no way. I would have done this alone, buddy.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing weighs like 60 pounds?
Oh, look at the freaking...
It doesn't fit, man.
It's probably... You have a small...
A little bit bigger. Too big.
Too big?
Too big. Something a little bit bigger than a quarter. Yeah, I have like 1,000 spoons and no knife. What I needed is a 7mm. They even make those?
Europe.
In Europe. Yeah, anyways. Everything is done and out. On the passenger side, or the driver's side, and the passenger side looks like this. So it's getting hot out here, so we're gonna call it quits for today. Anyways, again, couldn't have done it without Mark, man. You know? All right, guys, day 2 of the Mustang build. All right, so yesterday we got quite a bit accomplished. We removed, with the help of Mark, by the way. I know initially I said that he would do most of the work. The only problem is this stuff is so incredibly heavy. Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of our rebuild. All right, day 2 ended. Okay, we're kind of out here out in the sun, as you can kind of see. Bright. It's hot. It's extremely hot. It's like right now I think it's 94 degrees in the shade, 95, something like that. The other day was just extremely hot. So it ended with finally replacing. We got the new one on. When this thing snapped or broke, it snapped this part of the bolt into the car. So I tried numerous things. I wish I would have shown it, but it just got so hot, and I just wanted to finish it and get it up there. But I had over here Mark helping. It's nice to have friends that know what they're doing. But he came up with the idea of drilling a hole in the original bolt, and we welded another bolt into it, and then I was able to back it out. But I spent 3 hours trying to figure out an alternate solution to doing that.
Like 5 o'clock.
Yeah, all day long, and we didn't film much, but we have one minor problem. All right, so let me show you here what we're talking about. This arm right here that comes off of this, when it got bent, as you can see here by the wood, when the tire hit this area right in here, it pulled this whole thing in, I don't know, probably about this much. So when I try to put the new bolt up in there, it won't matter. I think I can probably jerry rig it and kind of bend it in and make it work that way, but that's not what, I don't think we're going to do that. So and take it over to the frame shop here probably the next episode or so. We have to replace this sheet metal bracket in here. We'll tap this out. The fuel line got pinched. This is just more damage that I've noticed. Fuel line got pinched. I don't know if we'll be able to start it. The key came in. I'm going to call. That's probably the next episode too, trying to get this thing started. Let's see here. I don't know if I can show you. Nah, I seriously doubt it. You can kind of feel it up in here. Oh, nah, it's dark. So these two bolts, they're right about in here somewhere. So as you can see, it's, I don't know, half an inch. So I don't see any damage at all up in here. So I don't know. I don't think this got bent. This thing got crushed in. I think it just got pulled in and crushed in. This looks straight, this part, if I look up alongside of it. But you know how looks are. So very deceiving. Anyways, more problems. All right, buddy.
Get your little rubber thing. You put it right up against as far as it goes up to that little metal stopper. You get your little clamp here. You put it in sideways through it. The belt-driven turbo is stopping it.
You mean the alternator?
No, the belt-driven turbo. It's different things.
¿Qué esto es? What is this? That's a brake line. Why is it on? Oh man.
What?
You know what we did?
What?
We need to get this underneath this. Oh man. Gotta take it apart, take it back apart.
It's not as hard as you think. The only thing I'm lacking in is strength. You can't use a lot of bolts and stuff.
Well, just do the best you can and I'll help you tighten it.
Yeah. There you go, that's it. Right there. I can't reach, like this is, there you go. Do the speed. have to like. It's too long. It's good. It's almost out there.
Alright guys, this concludes day 3 of the build.
We pretty much did all the suspension, pretty much that whole corner piece is all set and ready to go. Still
Yeah.
have the other one, but we did the major
Yeah, everything on the driver's side is
passenger side.
I'm sorry, yes. Passenger side is done. We have a tire coming. We got 2 new shocks for the front. Looks like the passenger side is going to be fine.
We're not gonna tell you what tires we got.
Yeah,
we got one, but more is coming.
Yeah, so we got a tire coming.
See, I know. I can smile and say I know, but I'm not telling you because I can't.
Anyway, so we're gonna have a tire coming. You guys are gonna see what we got. Just kind of as a test fit. Hopefully on the next episode we're gonna get the car started. We have the key. Key came in. I don't know if it's the right year. It doesn't look like it is, but
It works.
it'll work. Maybe, maybe not. So that's coming. We're gonna try to get the car started. We did find out that if we get a gunsmith, locksmith, not a gunsmith, a locksmith, they can program it. So the guy's gonna come over with his own key. He's gonna program it. So at least we have one good key. Second key. So it looks like we're gonna have the car started on the next episode. And what else is coming? That's it for now. We're still working on. I don't know yet. I've looked to see. We need to go to Ford and measure because nobody's going to tell us. I've kind of posted on a couple forums to see if the original Shelby parts would fit. Apparently they don't, but I don't know how much they don't fit by. We can always modify, and that's what we're planning on doing, is modifying the original. So this car, we have no intention of making it into a Shelby.
No, we're not.
It'll be completely debadged. There'll be no Shelby badging, no Ford badging, probably no Mustang badging either on it. Gonna work our own thing with the way it looks and that, but we still don't know yet. So maybe we'll take you along on the second episode over to a Ford dealership and see if we can measure up the hood and some of the internal parts to see how far off we are.
I'll give you a hint about the tires and the rims. The tires are literally twice the width of those you see there. Twice the width. So imagine 2 of those tires next to each other.
Almost.
Almost.
All right, guys. Till next time.